We will guide you through how to create region in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting AutoCAD from the Start menu. Start a new drawing by clicking New, or open an existing drawing where you want to create a region. Before continuing, make sure the object you plan to convert is a completely closed shape because open objects cannot be converted into regions. Type region in the command line and press Enter. Select the closed shape that you want to convert into a region, then press Enter to finish selecting the object. AutoCAD will convert the closed shape into a single region object that can be used with various solid editing and calculation commands. Next, type Union in the command line and press Enter. Select the first and second regions that you want to combine, then press Enter to merge the selected regions into one larger region. After creating the combined region, type Subtract in the command line and press Enter. Select the main region that you want to keep and press Enter. Then select the region that you want to remove from the main region and press Enter again. AutoCAD will subtract the selected area and leave the remaining portion of the original region. To compare overlapping areas, type Intersect in the command line and press Enter. Select the overlapping regions that you want to compare, then press Enter. AutoCAD will keep only the common overlapping areas shared by the selected regions while removing the remaining geometry. You can repeat the Union, Subtract, or Intersect commands whenever additional editing is required to achieve the desired region shape, and is ready for further modeling or calculations. Save your drawing by pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed region.